Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Barkley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm certainly willing to swear that as we kissed, said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Barkley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world was upside down. The streets of town were paved with love. There was such a romantic affair. And as we turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Barkley Square. The night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels guiding at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Barkley Square. Oh, I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm certainly willing to swear that as we kissed and fell in love, a nightingale sang in Barkley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore. And as we kissed and fell in love, a nightingale sang in Barkley Square. Oh, a nightingale sang in Barkley Square. Thank you. You're very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.